Here we are at the Hickory Hollow Nature Center at the Harrison State Forest. Astronomy Day. You can see the Skylab Planetarium set up there on the left. Alright, there's the entrance to the Skylab Planetarium.
Okay.
Pretty spray of dogwood and redbud. Bob Cruz explains Dobsonian mounts.
So I saw that in the article. I knew that even though I can't even draw a ratio, I could probably make it.
Speaking of Dobsonians, it's a 17-inch homemade job.
One half.
Hmm? How long did it take you all to do this?
Total time, probably 30 hours maybe.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah, who did the mirror?
It's a Calder mirror, it's an old Calder mirror.
Oh, uh-huh. Yeah. Okay, Jan's going to do some serious ground glass focusing here under this black hood. Super Angulon. Yeah, look at it, yeah. The hooded photographers.
You say that's the best she's ever looked, she'll hit you.
This is inside the Nature Center where the LAS has several astronomy exhibits set up. Primary telescope mirror. Big binoculars. Some astrophotography by Tom Roush and another member of the LAS. The chamber in which they hyper the film for greater sensitivity and long time exposures. Okay, our club is duly represented here by Brian's stuff. Who would have a mouse pad like this? Mouse it out for me. None other than our own Tom Empson. I wondered why you enjoyed using that mouse so much. Landscape of an alien planet.
Go ahead and start.
All right. Alan Robinson and I have been playing with amateur radio astronomy for about the last 4 or 5 years, trying to get this or that little radio telescope to work and to a small area, then we can amplify it and produce some kind of a chart or graph of the image. So what we have out here on the deck, I don't know if everybody's going to be able to see it, but there's a pyramid-shaped device. It's called a horn antenna. And it's like a big funnel, basically. It collects the radio waves coming in the front of it and channels them into the back, where there's a little box called a waveguide, and a little probe sticks up inside of there. That probe is where we first gathered the energy as an electric pulse that we then amplify.
Yeah, this is a close-up of the, for the radio telescope work. Can spot an astronomer's car every time. What time was that? 4 o'clock.
I'll be sure when you put it together that there's just really very little math to it. When you take your toilet roll and take your towel roll, we still got 4 or 5 of them on the high school building next to it, and that's not to be it. But it's going on.
Well, we really wanted to see that rocket take off, but we really don't have time to wait. Got to get going here. You had fun?
Yeah, I've been to a lot of astronomy days, and
this is certainly one of them.
All right.